Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sometimes I like to sit around and think about the future. What will I be doing 5 years from now? 10 years? Will I finally perfect that banana bread recipe? Will I finally convince Portia that a pet elephant is a good idea? The jury's still out on those. But one thing I know for sure is that none of us want to live with regrets. And that's what we're diving into today. 8 choices you might regret over the next 11 years. Let's get straight to the point. Okay, first up is something nobody loves to talk about, but your future self will thank you for saving money. I know, saving money is about as fun as, well, watching paint dry. But trust me on this one, even if it's just a little bit here and there, like skipping that extra latte a couple of times a week, think of it this way. That money you save now is like planting a little money tree. It might seem small at first, but with a little love and care and interest, it can grow into something amazing. You'll be able to do things like travel the world, buy that dream house, or maybe even start your own business. All because you were smart enough to start saving early. And hey, you never know when those unexpected expenses might pop up. Like that time my dog Portia, yes, we have a dog named Portia too, decided to eat an entire couch. True story. Having some savings stashed away can really save the day when life throws you a curveball. So do yourself a favor and start saving now, even if it's just a little bit. Your future self will be doing a happy dance, I promise. This one's important, folks. We've only got one body, and it's got to last us a lifetime. Taking care of your health, both physically and mentally, is like giving yourself the gift of a longer, happier life. And I'm not just talking about hitting the gym 5 days a week, although that's great if you can. It's the little things that add up. Taking walks, eating your veggies, yes, even the broccoli, and getting enough sleep. And don't forget about your mental health. Taking time for yourself to relax, meditate, or just do something you enjoy can work wonders. Think about it. When you're feeling your best, you have more energy to do the things you love, spend time with the people you care about, and just enjoy life to the fullest. Plus, regular checkups are key. It's like taking your car in for a tune-up. You want to catch any potential problems early on. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Now let's talk about relationships. We all know that feeling of being stuck in a rut, whether it's a job, a friendship, or a romantic relationship. But here's the thing. Life is way too short to spend it with people who bring you down. Toxic relationships can be draining, both emotionally and mentally. They can make you doubt yourself, question your worth, and just generally make you feel bad about yourself. And that's just not cool. If you're in a relationship that's causing you more stress than happiness, it might be time to reevaluate. It's not always easy to walk away, but trust me, you deserve to be surrounded by people who lift you up, support you, and make you feel good about yourself. Remember, you teach people how to treat you, so set those boundaries and don't be afraid to say bye-bye to anyone who doesn't respect them. Okay, this one's near and dear to my heart: education. Now, I'm not just talking about formal education, although that's fantastic too. I'm talking about never losing that thirst for knowledge, that curiosity about the world around you. Learning new things keeps your mind sharp, expands your horizons, and opens up a whole world of possibilities. It could be anything from learning a new language to taking up a new hobby to simply reading books on subjects that fascinate you. You know what I love to do? I love to learn new dance moves. It's so much fun, it's great exercise, and it keeps me feeling young. The point is, never stop learning, never stop growing, and never stop challenging yourself. Your brain will thank you for it, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Let's be honest, we all have that little voice in our heads that tells us to play it safe, to stay in our comfort zones. But you know what? Sometimes the greatest rewards come from taking risks, from stepping outside of that comfort zone and seeing what you're capable of. Think about it. What's the worst that could happen? You might fail. But you know what? Failure is just a stepping stone to success. It's how we learn, it's how we grow, and it's how we discover our true potential. So, go ahead, take that leap of faith. Apply for that dream job, ask that person out on a date, start that business you've always dreamed of. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Plus, even if things don't work out exactly as planned, at least you'll have a great story to tell. And who doesn't love a good story? In the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to get caught up in our own little worlds and forget about the people who matter most, our family and friends. But here's the thing, they're the ones who will be there for us through thick and thin, the ones who will celebrate our victories and offer a shoulder to cry on when we need it most. Don't take them for granted. Make time for the people you love, even if it's just a quick phone call, a text message, or a virtual coffee date. Let them know you're thinking about them, that you appreciate them, and that you're grateful for their presence in your life. Trust me, in the grand scheme of things, the memories you create with the people you love will be the ones you cherish most. So put down your phone, step away from the computer, and go spend some quality time with your family and friends. You'll be glad you did. Okay, folks, this one's all about adventure. The world is a big, beautiful, and diverse place just waiting to be explored. And trust me, there's no better feeling than experiencing new cultures, trying new foods, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Traveling doesn't have to mean jet-setting off to exotic destinations, although that's always fun. It can be as simple as taking a road trip to a nearby town you've never been to, exploring a new hiking trail, or even just trying a new restaurant in your own city. The point is to get out there, explore, and embrace all the amazing things this world has to offer. You'll broaden your horizons, gain a new perspective, and come back home with a heart full of memories. And who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent or passion along the way. Last but not least, let's talk about dreams. We all have them, those hopes, aspirations, and goals that make our hearts sing. But sometimes, life gets in the way, and we start to doubt ourselves. We tell ourselves it's too late, too risky, or too unrealistic to pursue our dreams. But here's the thing, you deserve to live a life that lights you up, a life that fills you with purpose and passion. Don't let anyone, including yourself, tell you otherwise. So what are you waiting for? Go after those dreams with everything you've got. Write that book, start that business, learn to play that instrument, travel the world. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. And hey, if you stumble along the way, that's okay. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep going. The journey might not always be easy, but trust me, it will be worth it. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you live your best life without any regrets. Remember, you're capable of amazing things, so go out there and make them happen.